Breaking news in Saka ewo Pinax TV indicates the ex-wife of Asamoah Gyan, the ex-wife of footballer Asamoah Gyan, she has gone to the Accra High Court again. She has gone to file a fresh application or a petition insisting that Asamoah Gyan is not paying, her and also paying the school fees of her 3 children. And what's more, she has come out to say that Asamoah Gyan is owing her some money. Pinax TV has saying it's almost summed up to €500,000 or dollars. This is the new case which is come. Before we even dive in and give our subscribers more details about this particular breaking news, first of all, please subscribe to our channel if you are new here, and also kindly like and share this video to your various social media handles. Now let's start off with the news at hand. Yensaka ewo Pinax TV. And chebiana yenyanentiana, we told our lovely subscribers right here on Pinax TV that Asamoah Gyan and the wife were having some court case. It was all in aid to separate them. The Bruni Becca's annulment. Asamoah Gyan cried the two just said they were not married, they were just having a normal relationship. So Obani Bema it's not right now moko courts no omuku good friendship. It's not like say they are going to have a divorce. They are just going to separate the relationship that they have had over the years. Bruni Becca's annulment. Now sa case we muakwa a year your friend said the final verdict what we know say had come was the DNA test which confirms that Asamoah Gyan, the 3 children of Asamoah Gyan are actually Asamoah Gyan's. But then the final verdict in P from court in Baye. But right now, information can just immediately indicate say Gifty Gyan has again gone to the Accra High Court to file for another fresh application for an interim order of maintenance at the Divorce and Matrimonial Division of the Accra High Court. Well, let's break this down for our lovely subscribers. What this particular statement which is coming in indicates Asamoah Gyan, she has gone to a division of the court, and our court, part of court are almost share how our mothers and our how they fare, their treatment and all other things. And why Asamoah Gyan's ex-wife referring Gifty Gyan will call to this particular division of the court to file a fresh application of Asamoah Gyan. This is the reason why. But before then, let's read the details and the court rater Pinax TV and Saka. Or see per her petition, Gifty Gyan wants the court to order Asamoah Gyan to continue to foot her expenses and that of their 3 children pending the final determination of the divorce petition initiated by Gyan. Also, Gifty Gyan wants Asamoah Gyan to pay the educational expenses of 3 children, which sum up to €4,667.91 in their monthly expenses as well as other expenses. Also, with the expenses, Gifty Gyan wants $1,500 for her vehicle insurance and $200 for road tax on yearly basis. She further wants the court to order Gyan to pay $12,870, which is the 5 months of rent arrears for her shop. According to sources, Gifty in her application avers that she resides in the United Kingdom with 3 children and that Gyan has refused to pay for her maintenance and that of the 3 children after he filed for a divorce in July 2018. She also wrote in her pleadings that before Gyan filed for divorce, he took 70,000 and 11,000 euros from her without paying, which means Gyan took a sum of 81,000 euros from her without paying. According to more sources closer to Gifty Gyan is saying that she's unable to cater for herself and that of her children, as well as pay the rent for her shop because she gave all the money to Asamoah Gyan. Now let's break this down. Let's explain further what this particular court case means and how and why in the first place Gifty Gyan ran to court to file another fresh petition against Asamoah. Now according to Gifty Gyan, she is saying that she was there, she never had any problem with anybody, but all of a sudden out of the blues, Asamoah Gyan came out and said he wants a divorce. And what was shocking was that Asamoah Gyan was the first person to run to the Accra High Court to file a lawsuit and a case say he wants the court to separate them officially, that is Gifty Gyan and Asamoah Gyan. And when that thing happened, Asamoah Gyan has stopped taking care of the 3 children. Asamoah Gyan initially said, say, the children are not his, and even wanted to confirm it with a DNA test, which later proved positive, say, the case are actually for Asamoah Gyan. Inti eba ne sana Asamoah Gyan intua bills ni nyina because Asamoah Gyan had gone to the court to file for a divorce no. E kani na the abedano so, and right now no e kana menen no to the extent say she can't even cater for the 3 children on the bema Asamoah Gyan akompem awo mo. This is what Gifty Gyan is saying. Now, Gifty Gyan further went on to say, for the past 6 months, the rent and the shopper or the ejuma ultimately in case Asamoah Gyan does not send money and other things. No, the rent expenses are double up. And you can say the rent expenses have even sum up to the sum of 12,870 euros. 12,870 euros. So the bag Ghana is coming summing up or is going to about 200,000 Ghana cedis. This is what Gifty Gyan is saying. Aside from that, Gifty Gyan also wants another expenses ebe cater for the vehicle. Say car no use or the call akwaniaba no up and down ni nyina no, or pay insurance or obetua, the no will cost 1,500 your friend is saying euros. Also, this particular Gifty Gyan, who is the ex-wife of Asamoah Gyan, is also insisting that she wants another insurance, vehicle insurance worth 200 euros for road tax on yearly basis, which means if she leave for the next 40 years, Asamoah Gyan has to calculate 200 euros times 40. Now Asamoah Gyan will pay the yearly your friend is a road tax. Your friend is saying road tax insurance on yearly basis. Also, this is what the woman is saying. The woman is saying Nkwalani school fees now Asamoah Gyan is not paying. Asamoah Gyan has not paid the children's school fees since Asamoah Gyan filed for a divorce way back some months ago. And now, okay, say Nkwalani omo school fees now have sum up to a sum of 4,667 euros on monthly basis, and also monthly expenses. So which means Nkwalani Asamoah Gyan on the children's school fees have sum up to this particular expense 4,667 euros. Also, Gifty Gyan say maybe just before Asamoah Gyan went to the court to file for a divorce and as annulment, so Asamoah Gyan took a sum of 70,000 and 11,000 from her, which means Asamoah Gyan took this particular money from Gifty Gyan on 2 accounts. One was 70,000, the other time was 11,000. It will sum out to 81,000 euros. All this money is the money that Asamoah Gyan took or borrowed from the wife up to now. Asamoah Gyan and farmer. It's based on this, the business is not going on. So she has finally run to the Accra High Court, especially the division which sees into the cases of Madesa or Mawo and matrimonial and Mawo or Momba. That is the particular place at Gifty Gyan Echo reported because she has said for the past 6 months she is living in debt. A comment day on an emban just because Asamoah Gyan is refusing to do what a man is supposed to do by paying for the bills of this particular children, talking about their school fees, their expenses, and also a jumano the rent, talking about the shop which has sum out to almost 5,000 euros. Currently that is the news at Air Koso. And as we are saying, this is the main reason why Gifty Gyan went to the court to file this particular court case, because according to her, Asamoah Gyan is not doing what a man is supposed to do, and because of that, she needs desperately to go to this particular division of the court, which sees into cases in Boma in Bema into Omoka into Nkwalani school fees. No, that is why she ran to that particular place to file that particular complaint against our own Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan in recent times to have come out to say he does not want any media or any person to come and say any issue, and now on person be had na no so in sema he just wants everything to be just laid down bare now or no, and the family needs to deal with the issue directly. But it seems like Obano, she's not really convinced with what is going on. And also the information about to media and a space so the whole world will know, because as I'm talking to you now, the details are already to our lovely subscribers. And Asamoah Gyan is not doing what a man is supposed to do, and Gifty Gyan cannot take it anymore. So the best thing that she has to do is to come out and then let the whole wide world know what Asamoah Gyan is doing to her, and the fact that she cannot take care of the 3 children because Asamoah Gyan is not paying the children's school fees together with other expenses. This is the news I Saka Ewo Pinax TV. So please let us know your comments on this. Mayenya or drink share our comment section below. If you are new here, to please, and what you have to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share this video to your various social media handles. Remember more updates concerning this particular issue of Asamoah Gyan. Breaking news in Saka say he is not taking care of the 3 children on a Gifty Jan just because he has gone to court to file for another an annulment because they are separating. This is what Asamoah Gyan is saying. We'll give you more updates on all of these developments. Please subscribe to our channel and also share this video to your various social media handles. Thank you very much for watching.